Hello, I am Joyce Guardela. We begin this presentation of the model corresponding to government in IT at the challenge IT infrastructure-based service managed using help desk tools. Freshdesk offers a new way of customer service through email boxes, social networks, among other things in the same tool. Freshdesk allows you to talk with your clients, trace aspects of attention to them, a new way, a new world of customer service. Freshdesk manage questions and complaints have created a way to keep its customer service agent entertained in a dynamic way, which makes it look like a video game, and that qualifies the service status. Okay, we can see the ticket creation. What is a ticket? It helps us to know which agents are working in the same case, use private note for internal communication, send edited notes with the rich text tool, see the status of your ticket and see when it was used, get contextual information of the client stored inside the ticket, and also view and manage ticket property with just one-click creation of a ticket. Next, we can see the creation of a ticket, in this case corresponding to Piedad Marchena, and the ticket said that she has been trying to upload the student list, but it hasn't been able because of some trouble in the platform. Then we can see that the ticket have been created already, and also we can see another type of ticket corresponding to another problem in the platform. And we can see the status of the ticket. In this case, we see that it's urgent and it is open. Then we can read the specification of the ticket, and also we can see what the client wants to do with us. Okay, in this case, we also can email sending through Freshdesk with copy or with a copy of the text. Then we also have multi-channel connection that allows our client to contact us through different ways. For example, tickets by email, telephone channel, chat, also using the media works, for example, Twitter and also Facebook. And also we can see my account, my personal account, in which client can contact me. Also, we can see that ticket fields can be customized to facilitate their organization. Clients can categorize, organize, and filter the tickets based on these fields. Also, at the moment you register, you will have available a workspace that facilitates you to quickly know everything that is happening in your help desk. The interactive sequence of Freshdesk activity shows you all the information available in real time in a consolidated manner. In this picture, we can see the step of the ticket. This one, we have a kind of survey which allow us to know what the client or what the students think about this program, if they are okay with the name, with the content that we offer, and so on and so forth. Also, we can see Freshdesk that allows the launch of different reports that show how efficiently the help desk can be operated. Also, you can know the level of customer satisfaction. We can see different bars that show how good or how bad has been the experience that the customer has done. Finally, and also we have load analysis. We also have the bar graphic. Also we have the random distribution, which shows how many times we employ to give a response to our clients. In this case, we see that the random time is 1 to 2 hours. Okay, Freshdesk allows you to offer your customer an absolutely cool support experience. Each ticket, each product, each contact. Freshdesk available a workspace that facilitates you to quickly know everything that is happening in your help desk. The interactive sequence of Freshdesk activity shows you all the information available in real time in a consolidated manner. Freshdesk allows the launch of different reports that show how efficient your help desk is operating. You can even know the level of satisfaction of your customer in a matter of seconds. Okay, for your attention, this is it.